Here's Enrique Bradfield. First pitch of the night from Wenway Pond. Swing and a miss, a 95-mile-an-hour park. In at third is Trent Farquhar, and the pitch is inside. It's 1 ball and 1 strike.
Farquhar with 2 doubles last night. Not Farquhar, excuse me, Bradfield.
Yeah. The beginning of the season. Here's the 1-2 pitch. Fastball on the inside corner. Got him looking, strike 3. Bradfield knew it. He's down looking, 1 away. And a quick strikeout for Wenway Pond at 97. And now with the Blue Claws where he would have been all along, this is 3rd game back, and the slider is outside. It's 1 ball, no strikes on Douglas Soto, sitting 245, 4 homers, 19 ribbies for the right-handed batter out of the University of Texas. Fastball driven deep up the right field line, slicing foul, out of play into the first base in the first. Pod 6'4", slider outside, and the count 1 ball. This very well regarded, hard thrower, a lot of potential. Foul back into the screen. 2 and 10 earned runs on 13 hits, but might have just been wearing down at the end of a long year. Strike 3, splitter. Anthony gets Hodo looking. So back-to-back backwards K's, 2 away for Tavian Josenberger, the designated hitter.
Yeah, they stretched him out a little bit, right, Greg? At Clearwater this year, he just wasn't a relief specialist. He was more than that.
Yeah, when he was rehabbing, he would be a multi-inning pitcher. He threw as many as 3 innings in his rehab. Here's Tavian Josenberger, the DH, and he looks at a slider inside. It's 1 ball and no game. Threw a 1-2-3 inning with a strikeout. Fastball there, 95, just off the plate outside. It's Los Angeles Angel traded to L.A. Here's a line shot to first, caught by Keaton Anthony, thigh high, and the inning is over. We'll pick up on that when we come. Here's the 2-2 pitch. That's outside, and the count is their delay. I promise you it's not. It's the nicest day of the year. That one is low, and ball 4 on the splitter. Well, 1-0. First walk by Pond, first and third now for Lehigh University. Runner goes at first, fastball high, no throw by Kai Kudo, and a stolen base. 5. Here's the 1-0, and that's a splitter low, 2-0. It's held by the 0-9 Blue Claws with Anthony Gose. Fastball strike on the outside corner with the count. And a 2-1, swing and a miss, and the count is 2-2.
Weather delay.
2-2, and the pitch is hit high in the air to right center and hit well. Byers going back, chasing after it toward the track. Long run, way back there, drops the ball. And Young will tag and score. Vasquez goes to round third. He's coming in. Bergoyes relay, throw, slide, save. He's under the tag, and standing at third base is Adam Retzbach. That's an E9 on Jordan Byers, and it's 1 ribbies. And the pitch by Pond is the split, swung on and missed. And the count, another palm of his mitt. Swing and a miss, another splitter. And the count is 0-2 pitch. Pulled softly, foul third base side, another splitter. Over the final 6 weeks, foul tipped back to the screen. That was the fastball, 95. Retzbach, the runner at third. Here's the 0-2 pitch. Splitter hit well, high in the air to center. Playable, Schreffler back. He's got plenty of room in front of the track to make the catch. Plenty deep enough though to score. Retzbach, who looks like I think 1 of the runs will be earned and the other 2 unearned. Here's a high pop by Valdez on the infield third base side. Farquhar coming down left of the mound on the grass, makes the catch. Ends the inning. 3 runs, 1 hit, 1